Today, we're in Cannes, a city that glows with elegance and quiet confidence. Every September, its coastline transforms for the Cannes Yachting Festival, where the sea meets design and luxury finds its rhythm. Let the sound of waves guide you through this journey, through beauty, light, and the timeless allure of the French Riviera. This year, I walked those same waterfronts, where the air carries the scent of salt and polished teak, and every yacht seems to mirror the sun. The city feels alive in a quiet, cinematic way, a stage where the sea, the sky, and human craft come together in harmony. The two ports, Vieux ports and Port Canto, become the heart of this spectacle. Yachts line up like gleaming sculptures, sleek, powerful, built with impossible precision. Some look like visions of the future, all steel and glass. Others feel like moving pieces of art, where every inch is designed to perfection. The smooth teak deck, the glimmering chrome, the light that shifts with every wave. Looking at them, I imagine the worlds inside. Quiet lounges in leather and mahogany, pools that merge with the horizon, helipads waiting for distant journeys, each one a promise of freedom, of time measured not in hours, but in miles. As I walked along the waterfront, the rhythm of the sea mixed with voices in many languages. The scent of salt and perfume floated in the air, sometimes touched by the trace of a cigar. There was a lightness in the atmosphere, that rare blend of technology, beauty, and emotion that defines modern luxury. People watched the yachts in silence, the kind of silence that reveals longing for space, for movement, for escape. At Plage Macé, beside the Palais de Festival, the red carpet sleeps until May. Then the city glows with camera flashes. Now, in September, it feels calm, intimate, and real. The beach, the light, and the gentle motion of the water create a different rhythm, one of quiet presence. Later, I climbed to Le Suquet, the old heart of Cannes. Narrow stone streets smelled of bread and coffee. From the top, the view opened wide, the bay, the port, and the perfect curve of Le Croisette. From up there, the contrast was clear. Down by the water, precision, glamour, innovation. Up on the hill, peace, history, and daily life. Two eras meeting without conflict. Cannes is both the whisper of the past and the hum of the future. Watching the yachts from above, I realized this festival isn't just a show of wealth. It's a language of design and freedom, where technology meets art and beauty becomes movement. Each yacht tells a story about journeys, about silence, about the courage to dream without borders. The Cannes Yachting Festival stays in memory like the shimmer of the sea under the quiet light of a September day.